I'm Mark Glassmeyer with Norris Products, and today I'd like to show you how to assemble our insulated cooler dividers. Here's one of the dividers already assembled out here, and as you'll see, here's one of the dividers already inserted in one of the coolers, and we've placed some plastic cups in here so you can show how these dividers help prevent spillage when transporting them inside the coolers. The dividers do work with all of our coolers, insulated bags, both series, so one solution fits all the coolers no matter what coolers you have. This will work for you. So if you're ordering them after the coolers, you're good. So what you're going to get is you're going to get a packet that looks like this, and these are your dividers. Each packet contains one divider. I'm going to open it up, and the one thing you're going to find out here, unlike other places in the world, that it's actually hip to be square when you're assembling these. So you're going to start with a square. You'll see the slots in the plastic. So work from the outer edge, just like if you're doing a puzzle, you want to start with the corners. We're going to start with the corners here. So we got corner, corner. You just slide them in there. And it is plastic and flexible. You don't feel bad about bending or twisting them. They're not going to break on you. So you're going to do these two corners, and then this one's going to go the opposite direction down. By design, you can't do that the wrong way. I'm going to force you to do that. So get down there. And then once you got the square together, you want to flip the square, okay? And then we're going to go with the next series of slots in. So we're going to put that in like this. Just like this. And now it's time for that final flip. Here we go. So we'll flip it up one more time. You're going to fill in the middle section. Like so. Okay, and now you have an insulated bag divider ready to go. And you're going to have 9 slots now, 3 on each side, that allow you to put smoothies, drinks, whatever you're worried about spillage. This is a solution to prevent that from happening. Thank you for your interest in Norris Products, and we appreciate it.